Hi guys, and welcome to Keys Kids Adventures. Today we are building a shadow box for my awesome looking Megalodon tooth. So let's get started. So we are going to be making the shadow box, and this is the wood we're going to be using. So we are going to be doing the layout. So we got a ruler, my Megalodon tooth, and just a pencil. And Dad's going to do the measuring. So we got our chop saw here, and we got our air compressor over there, but the first things first, we have to have safety. We have protective sunglasses, and then we got earplugs so that doesn't like blow my eardrums out. So let's get started. So now we are going to sand it down and varnish it. That's just it. Varnish is just a clear coat. And we have a couple different types of sandpaper. We have this, which this one is 220. Then we have this one, which is 80. And then we have a little sand sponge, and we have a little piece of sandpaper. Gloves, safety first for the varnish because it's clear. And yeah, we got a big brush so we can paint it off. But first, before we do any of the painting, we always sand it down. So we start with 80 with the sand machine. I forgot what it's called. Gotta line up the holes. We were about to do the varnish, but we forgot one part. Now we get our flathead screwdriver and our can of varnish. Put it down in there. Okay, I'm ready to varnish. It's just like you're painting. All done, just gotta let it dry. Day 2, it took 24 hours to dry, but it's fully dried, and we're gonna be attaching the plexiglass door to it. Let's get started. Done with the tracing. Now we're gonna have to use a razor blade. We're gonna have to use a razor blade, but I'm gonna let my dad do that. There you go. It's not the straightest lines, but I tried. Don't try this at home. Okay, so we're gonna flip it over and put these on. It's just so I can mount it on my wall. Okay, so there's 3 in the box, and I'm only gonna use one of them to just put in the center, and I just need 2 nails. I'll grab 3. Got my hinges. They're nice and black and pretty. They have a little dent in them. Got my Gorilla Glue, super glue technically. And we're gonna be gluing one part of the hinges to the plexiglass under the paper thing. And then we are going to be screwing it into there and then gluing the screws in so they don't fall out.
Take this off.
Some got stuck to it. Oh my goodness, I can't peel my fingers apart. There we go. About 10 seconds. So I've switched chairs since I was over there to get a good angle so you guys can see what I'm drilling. They're little tiny black screws, they match the thing, so I'm just going to be drilling. Now it's time to put the screws in. I already put the first one in after I drilled that hole, so I could actually keep it held in place. So I get the next ones. I'll get 5 more. Okie dokie, so we got all the heads cut, and now and then here's the back side. My dad cut them for me, and we're gonna put them in the holes here. After we drilled them, we're gonna put the glue, the dripper side this time, and it is, I think the hole, yep, is already pre-done. So we're just gonna jump right in. Now just gotta let them all dry. And this super glue, just so you know, it dries quickly. Okie dokie, so I moved again, and I'm going to measure how long my whole thing is. Oh, 9.5 inches. What's the center of 9.5? I don't want to cheat. 4 3/4. Yes, 4 3/4. I'm gonna go over here and make a mark on it. There. So I'm gonna get my dad in here to drill the hole. I made a little mark right here to make a duckbill type of thing. So he can drill right in the center of it. Now we gotta make sure this part fits through it. So now we just gotta screw it in.
Alrighty, there you go.
Okay, it's almost all the way through. I gotta make sure it's smooth. Nope, I gotta move it. Hey! Yay! We did it! Last things last, we have to peel all the plastic off, peel all the tape off, which is the funnest part. So let's do it. Wow! It's like you can see right through it. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, so now let's put the tooth in it and see what it looks like. Oh my, that looks awesome. And I'm just gonna have my master lock right there to keep it closed. Time to go mount it on my wall. If you liked our video, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.